Of course, we can't talk about money and politics and campaigns anymore without mentioning Citizens United, the famous or infamous Supreme Court case. And that has had a huge effect, as many thought it would. Unions and corporations can now use their dollars, not coordinating with campaigns, but on their own, to fund these super PACs and campaign for candidates. And in fact, there's certainly a lot of discussion as to whether there actually are, in some of these cases, walls between the campaigns and the super PACs as there are supposed to be. But the super PACs have put an enormous amount of money into this. Millions and millions have been spent in the Republican primary so far, an enormous amount in Iowa, and the super PACs have played a big role. So how have they played a big role? Well, for instance, when Gingrich was having his day in the sun in Iowa, super PACs that were supporting Romney really went after Gingrich with everything they had and were successful. So that's just an example that we can see of the amount of money of the super PACs and of the effect it had. They were successful in their mission, which was basically to take out Gingrich. Rick Santorum is an interesting case. Money is not everything, but of course, Rick Santorum soon is going to have enough money to be competitive. Iowa, he put all his marbles in. He lived, breathed Iowa. He had the pickup truck. He was in every inch of Iowa. And Iowa is his natural constituency. So it was strange that he wasn't getting more traction. I think it took a while for others to fall to the side and for the field to narrow a little and for his strategy to play out, which it did, which was the ground game. The ground game is still very important, as we saw. Who had good ground game? Well, Santorum did, Rick Santorum, Ron Paul did, and Mitt Romney did. And look how they placed last night.